Welcome to Hakeem channel. In this channel, I'll give you information about Unani and natural medicine. And today's video is about rheumatoid arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis is the condition in which joints of the body start swelling, pain and get stiff. It is very common in old age people, especially women. In this video, I will tell you how rheumatoid arthritis or RA happens, what are the causes, how to prevent yourself from rheumatoid arthritis, or how to treat rheumatoid arthritis with home remedies. So please watch this video till end, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. How rheumatoid arthritis or RA happens? Here I will share two views, one of Unani medicine and second of modern science. According to Unani medicine's scholars, RA happens because of phlegm humor. When phlegm humor loses the balance of temperament, it turns viscous and disturbed. It affects the joints and nervous system, because of which RA happens. According to modern science, RA is an autoimmune reaction in which antibodies develop against components of joint tissues. In simple words, our defense or immune system attacks our own joints by mistake. What are the causes of rheumatoid arthritis? RA is one of those diseases which occurs because of more than one cause. Possible causes of RA are following. Unhealthy food. Food which is unhealthy can cause RA. These foods include sugar, white flour, white rice, potatoes, oily and spicy foods, sour foods, animal-based food, especially dairy food. Cold temperature. Living at cold and low temperature places or even eating too much chilled and cold stuff can increase the chance of rheumatoid arthritis. Environment. Environmental factors also play a very important role in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Smoking and alcohol increase the risk of RA, and by smoking I mean both first and second hand smoking or passive smoking. Besides these, air pollution, pesticides, herbicides and toxins also increase the risk of RA. Genes. If you have a family history of rheumatoid arthritis, the chance of getting rheumatoid arthritis is 15 to 20%. Mostly, it depends on triggering factors like food and environment. Food allergies. Food allergies can also increase the risk of RA. If you are getting food allergies regularly and eating the food you are not supposed to eat, it increases the number of antibodies in the body, which in result increases the risk of RA. Hormonal. Hormonal imbalance also plays a very important role in rheumatoid arthritis. Low level of androgen, a male hormone, and a high level of estrogen, a female hormone, can increase the risk of rheumatoid arthritis. Low nutrients. Nutrients from food and other sources are very important and vital for our health to fight autoimmune diseases. Nutrients like antioxidants from plant-based food and vitamin D from sunlight is important. So, lack of these vital nutrients can cause rheumatoid arthritis. How to prevent yourself from rheumatoid arthritis? So, what should we do to reduce the risk of rheumatoid arthritis? Here are some preventive measures you can take. Eating healthy food and beverages. As unhealthy diet increases the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, a healthy diet not only decreases the risk of rheumatoid arthritis, but it can also reverse the rheumatoid arthritis or any other autoimmune disease. So, what's good food for rheumatoid arthritis? Whole food plants like vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and food made from them, legumes, beans, lentils, nuts, dry fruits, healthy beverages like green tea or coffee. Living at a moderate temperature. Extreme cold or hot temperature is not very good for rheumatoid arthritis, especially low and cold temperature. So keep yourself warm in cold weather and in cold places. Controlling bad habits. Addictions like alcohol and smoking are injurious for health. So as for rheumatoid arthritis, try to build good and healthy habits like exercise. Avoiding environmental hazards. Unfortunately, we are living in the time where we are surrounded by various toxins. These can be in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the things we use. That's why avoid the highly polluted area, clean your food before cooking and eating, and wash and sanitize your hands before eating. Treatment at home. Beside these preventive steps, you can try the following home remedies to treat RA or rheumatoid arthritis. Here I am sharing one remedy for oral use and other for topical or external use. Oral remedy: ginger and turmeric tea. This tea will reduce pain and inflammation. For this, you need 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of chopped fresh ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and 1 cup of tea. First, boil the water. When water is boiled, reduce the heat and add turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon in it. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Now stop heating and strain the tea with a clean cloth. Add honey and lemon in it. Take this tea thrice a day after 30 minutes of meal. Topical or external remedy. Arthritis oil. Externally or topically, use the following oil for a massage twice a day. It will keep the joints warm and reduce the pain. But remember, massage softly. For this oil, you need 1 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup sea salt, 1/8 cup clove oil. It's optional. Warm the oil gently and add the sea salt in it. Let the salt dissolve in oil. You can add water to dissolve the salt fast. Now add the clove oil if you want to and massage the oil at joints. All the information in the video is also available in the text form at my blog. Link is in the description. Please tell me in the comment section what is the most common cause of rheumatoid arthritis in your opinion. Hope you liked the video, so please subscribe my channel, like the video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Thanks and salam.